Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how do you fix too many requests in ChatGPT. So let's have it. Okay, so if you are experiencing this problem that says too many requests in ChatGPT, what you can actually do is to check if OpenAI is down, because if OpenAI is down, it is going to cause random errors in ChatGPT. Okay, so if everything is running just fine in OpenAI, what you can do is log out from your account and log in again. So if you still have the problem, you can go to your cookie setting on your browser. So go to settings, and from here go to privacy and security, and you can scroll down, and under cookies and site data, click on clear data. All right, now that should solve the issue you have with the ChatGPT having too many requests. All right, so thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.